Meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. What do we want to do today? I don't know. Maybe we can go on an adventure. Okay. How do we get there? Let's make a portal. Follow me, guys. Let's get some stuff first. Okay. This portal, how much is ever? I know, but let's go into it. Okay? Yes, okay. Me first. I'm the leader of it. It got a bit bigger. Now it's more bigger. I don't know if this is the right place to play here. Come on, guys. This doesn't look like the place. It's a bit not fun, but a tiny bit fun. I don't know what's this. It doesn't look a bit fun, but a tiny bit fun. There's like nothing fun here. It's just a tiny bit fun, okay? Okay. Wait, I see something that it's gonna land on you. Where? 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 Cat. Yep. I'm gonna share this catnip. I'll eat it first. You eat it second. And I eat it third. That's yum.